Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
It's impressive to see that this region, that especially on the energy and heavy industry sector, is not necessarily leading.
We are looking to mobilize capital at scale for climate and sustainability solutions. And one of our key themes in that capacity is very much the recognition that we need to put adaptation finance on the table.
We came up a few years ago, well, 2 years ago, with the Solar Challenge. The idea is to increase the deployment of solar throughout the OECS with the hope of getting distributed solar more on the grid. Secondly, it really is to get distributed solar on the grid. So what we want to do is work with small, medium, and micro enterprises to really get them involved, find investors who are willing to invest not just in one, but in several islands. A few weeks ago, with one of our partners in the Solar Challenge. So the Solar Challenge attracts funding for different things from different people. One of our partners is GGGI, the Global Green Growth Institute, and they actually did a call among the a call throughout the OECS, just did a call for projects. We really want to see a major change in the entire industry, that our renewables include solar on a much larger level. While we work on the others, the OECS is also all the countries with geothermal potential. So we know that that's hopefully coming on board, but until then, we really want the solar to be the renewable that everybody can access and get onto. Also,